Alright, what up YouTube people? Today we're gonna show you the stash for the little kids for 4th of July. So the first thing is 2 packs of ground bloom flowers. 2 packs of ground flowers. Okay, the next one is rainbow rays. Okay, the next one is 2 packs of crazy eyeballs, and then 2 little mini monster fountains. Okay, and then 2 boxes of morning glories, which these are really expensive. They're $8.99 for 1 box. So firecrackles, string of crackles, and then little glowworms, and then snakes. Okay, and then 2 bags of TNT blast, and then these are California candle combo pack. These are 2 jumbo candles. Jumbo California candle. And that's pretty much it for the little kids, little fountains, And check out my other video on my channel for my first fireworks stash, which is a pretty good stash. So check it out. And thanks for viewing my video.